We got a little surprise for you, Cody, too.
Uh-oh.
For being a good customer.
I don't know what, oh, okay. You scared me right there. I was like, uh-oh. Holy
You guys and your fucking monsters.
Dude, it's so good.
Peach tea would be good, bud.
This is really good. You want to try it?
No, I'm good.
Billy boy, try it.
I'm not gonna.
Try it!
Okay.
Give in. Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
It's freaking delicious. It's not like an energy drink. It's like tea.
It's peachy.
It's peach tea.
Oh, my fuck. Strong peach.
Yeah, but it's good. Really good.
Eric.
I didn't even. I didn't even do it. I didn't even do it. It was Bill.
It's a surprise, dude. You can't tell him.
I'm not telling him. I'm filming this, and then I'm not airing it until he sees it.
He's gonna lift his hood and be like, oh my god.
Yeah, I'll film his reaction. He'll be like, oh, shit. So he's also doing a completely different custom exhaust on this. He's just sold all of his. So American Racing, inch and 7/8, catless X-pipe, Corsa. That was his old setup. Now he's doing something custom.
I don't know.
So good. Once it hits your lips. He's gonna do another. Come on, Eric. Tell me you know the movie.
Nope.
Dude. Really? Old school?
Yeah, I've seen it. I just don't fucking memorize.
Dude, that's like the best, one of the best lines in the whole thing.
Yep.
If you're gonna remember like one line.
You never know. We got a Home Depot, we got Olive Garden. Who knows all the time?
You know what? Give me that. Give me that. You're gonna do one.
I'll do one. I'll do one.
He gonna do what? He gonna do what?
He gonna do
Well, that's a talented man right there.
Once it hits your lips, it's so good.
I remember the car was the Red Dragon.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it, Eric, it's loud.
Yeah, I can barely breathe.
That's why I opened the doors and put the fan on. So all done?
Oh, should I put the controller on?
Well,
Fluid's topped off.
I heard he's on his way.
Yes, he is. That's why this hood is going to be shut.
Okay. Yeah, I had to hold on to the footage until. I think the best part about it is he literally just commented on Facebook to Jordan Wells, the guy that had the heads cam package, who bought some high rise. And Cody just commented on his Facebook and was like, damn, those look good, I need to get some. And it took everything out of me not to be like, don't buy them.
What if he like brings them in today? Like, yeah, just ordered these.
That would be even funnier.
Well, it'd be great. I mean, he'd pop the
We'll use them. We'll use them on something, but still.
A few moments later.
Yeah, because they're 18s and they're Z06 fitment. So I'll see if they fit over the brakes. Because if they do, I'd like to put his wheels on and those wheels on.
Put a set on mine to see what it looks like. I might sell the D series.
Yeah, yours won't fit on
wheels.
these. Yours won't fit on these. I don't know what I'm doing because I don't like it. I don't like KP driving it with the 18s on the back and these on the front. It's not that stable.
Oh,
it's too wide of a tire on the front to have that kind of tire on the back, and it's like, because this wide of a tire, dude, you move the wheel like this much, and it's like, and with that tire, it's like a little swayy, so I want a skinny on the front to.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I want her to go 9s boost only, and she's gonna need that tire to do it. Probably, she could probably do it on this tire, but it'll be easier on that tire.
I didn't know she was gonna be racing at the call out.
Yeah, she is.
That's awesome.
I want her. We want to go this weekend too. She wants to race it.
We'll practice.
Yeah. Should be the only one there only chick there racing with a manual though.
It's true. Everybody else got those
sissy autos.
Same thing. I told you the same thing.
It's like
I told.
the turd biscuit.
Yep.
Still looks pretty good though.
I'm excited to hear it, but I'm so scared it's going to be droney as hell.
Oh,
Hear
the
it
new
now?
setup?
No, not now.
I was gonna say.
I know it's
loud.
going to be ridiculous now. Even with the two mufflers, I got a feeling it's just going to be droney.
We got a little surprise for you, Cody, too.
Uh-oh.
For being a good customer.
I don't know what, oh, okay. You scared me right there. I was like, uh-oh. Holy shit. That's f***ing awesome. Because I was going to order the
I know, as I saw you comment yesterday, you're like, oh, what valve covers today? I'm like,
That's awesome. I like the blue in there. That's perfect because I'm doing the block the same color. That'll be awesome. Thank you.
yeah, no problem.
That's awesome.
It was kind of like we f***ed up. not on your car. We ordered valve covers and had them powder coated this color, and we didn't. And it was for the C7 Z06, and we didn't realize that they were LS valve covers when we handed them to the guy. So then when we got them back, they were this color, and I'm like, well, they match Cody's car, don't they? And
That's awesome.
I'm like, well, just f***ing throw them on there. So there you go.
Now I got
It's kind of like our stuff that he got.
Now I got to do black couplers. To
Yeah, I
get
think
rid
we
of that.
have black couplers. Don't the new ones come with black couplers?
New ones do.
That one car we just did has them, the red car.
Yeah.
I like them. I love the color. It's what it needed. They're too plain. The factory motors are too plain in these cars. It looks awesome. Color matches well too.
Yeah, it's actually a little brighter on the cover, but we were like, once like all the shit goes on there, it'll kind of darken it up and it'll actually look better because
It matches
if
the
it
color.
was this color on there, I think it would be too dark.
Dark, yeah. And like I said, the motor paint that I have is light like that. I don't think it's quite as dark as this. But this lightens up in the sun too.
Yeah, yep.
Nah, it looks awesome. I always see you in videos ripping it off. You're like, can I peel it?
It feels good.
It's like bubble wrap.
It's like when you buy something new and you get to take the little screen cover off. And
Well, I mean, instead of this one up.
Doing work. I guess that's coming over here and talking shit like you usually do.
He's right, you know. You do that little fucking, who's that fucking, God, what's that
good
guy's
one.
name?
That was a good one.
The little meme when the guy's like, he's right, you know?
Morgan Freeman?
Morgan Freeman, yeah.
The little guy. Morgan Freeman.
Well, the little meme. Morgan Freeman's the fucking man.
He is, I agree. I love Morgan Freeman, he's awesome. He can make anything sound cool.
He is
He made a movie about penguins sound badass. That's how awesome he is.
The emperor penguin will march to a place so extreme, it supports no other life.
I can't really do a Morgan Freeman. Lucky you. I'll just do your mom's voice.
You don't do that very well either.
Since you're not cooperating, your mom is back.
So Eric,
You know what? You know what?
some ARP head studs.
I know a great way to get rid of Steve.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me. I can cut before and after. I don't need to censor each one. It's not how editing works. Such a hater.
Yeah, I'm such a hater.
Such a hater.
You gonna get that sticker on your car that says "I love haters"?
I heart haters, yeah. I should.
I had it on my GTO for a while.
I bet you did. It reminds me, every time someone mentions that, it reminds me of it. It reminds me of one of the dyno days at the old shop in Claymont. A guy from RPM Transmission came out with his C6E and had it on hit, and I took a picture of it. It's on our, it's on my Flickr thing.
I was at that dyno today.
Were you really? Which one though?
The one where what's his face came out from RPM.
Yeah, I have pictures of it.
Yeah, it was a red one.
Yeah, with the blue wheels.
Yep.
Yeah, I was there too. That's really funny.
What the hell is his name? I can't.
I probably have a picture of your GTO from there if you had it then.
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
Yep.
It's
I think
good.
I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I would have.
Let's see here. There it is. 2012.
Yeah, I'm a GTO then.
There's pictures from it.
See if you can find my car on there. That'd be funny.
I heart haters. It's probably it right there in the background.
I know exactly where it was parked.
Wait, is that you?
No, that's not me, but that is my car. That is my car right there. The same sticker on the yeah, that's my car. That's not me though.
That's funny.
That is my car.
Look at that.
Good find.
See? I'm good.
Good find.
It's pretty funny.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
Soak them lifters.
Don't you like Rise Against as well?
I do like Rise Against, but I hate every show is about PETA and shit. I've seen them in concert too. It was a good concert. But then they started a PETA thing during the show.
I'm gonna go to one of their concerts and wear a deer like
should.
Tom Green. Bill.
Good song.
Every time I walk out, this song comes on. I swear.
Good song.
It's funny because it was on earlier and I was waiting for you to come out.
Oh, I actually like this song.
Yeah, so do I. What's in your head, huh?
So we don't have a baseline, do we?
Nope.
That sucks.
I mean, we didn't drive it, but he said the clutch was destroyed, so I don't know if he even would have been able to make a pull.
Well, now
Whatever.
it's got a new clutch.
Now it's got a new clutch. Yep. Then there's some other new parts.
Yep. Cook's headers, 255 upper, silent isolator, springs.
Sure.
That's basically it. Oh, injectors.
Injectors, yep.
ID 1050s.
Yep. Those.
Yeah. So nothing too crazy.
Yep. That's the daddy.
That's happy. Used to play football in high school.
Is there a gentleman in your life?
Yes, I have
Did he used to play football when he was in high school?
Huh?
Is he incarcerated?
I got you on that now, didn't I?
Dude, I just didn't know what you were referencing, but I knew Miss Cleo very well.
Miss Cleo.
She was like the ultimate South Florida scammer.
Dude, good for her.
Pretty sure she's dead.
Probably. She was like 60 when I was like 6.
I'm still 6, so.
Me too.
Yeah. I saw someone's comment. It was like, why does Steve wear his hat like a 6-year-old?
I saw that.
That's because I am. Meth. And
you need meth.
And our 5-inch intake. See? And when you buy the 5-inch intake, you can have an option for meth. Just saying. You like
that what
that?
you're doing?
You like that little plug?
Just saying.
Well, at least if he decides to do one, we can like show the difference.
Is that what we can do? That's amazing.
It's Friday, man. You know.
I know.
Let's play along. Be cooperative.
All right.
Thank you.
You know, if he was to buy one, we could put meth on it and then we could show the difference.
I hate you.
Doesn't everyone hate their boss?
Yeah, but you're different.
All right. I'll take that.